Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up two half of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say your seat. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
Yo, that girl the cute, you fuck. Oh.
She? Hey yo, my girl! Come here then, my friend I try fuck you.
You are the blood.
I know what to do if only you would let me, as long as you're cool.
Hey, bumbuckler, girl, get up, you know. Yo! Hello?
Hey, baby. Want you? Babe. Alright, man, I leave those. You want nothing to eat? I'm gonna get some Chipotle.
Why you hear too much, man? Come back. Break. Take a break. Move, take a break. Oh, shit. He might kill your mother up there, you know? Man, play about the game now, man. Oh! Oh, shit. Oh, now say, look at you. Boy, I say your mother, but hey, me think go back, pull out him. You know, go and enjoy yourself. Look at me, big up yourself, yeah? You not tell nobody. How far can I drive here? Oh shit, baby. My boyfriend come home. What the girl and then me call her? Who fuck you that?
Up to the time, and the time is modern. Technology from the southern to the northern. Timeless. Me I use my cellular, get gal regular. Nokia cellular, get gal regular. Samsung cellular, get gal regular.
You doing nothing.
How you feel about that? If you don't have a phone.
How it is?
Anjo! Anjo, come here! May I come? Come here, quick! Yeah, what? Look here. Mama? Mama! Mama? Me there every day with you. And you start say mama. So at this time you teach you pitney if you say mama. What the bomb buckler? Mama. No dada? The pitney not just feel like to say mama. You have a problem with that? More see how the bill them in here go pay. Oh you have to eat, you. Little fucker. You never look like my pitney. Mama. Is all everything good? Everything you get mad for! Everything good, me God, everything good. Little boy, you come in here ball on the place. Why you live so white? What wrong with you? I'm hungry. Little cup soup downstairs, go eat it. You know I no more cup soup from last week. Where I eat cup soup till now. That's all me have, little boy. You give me nothing to put on? No. Until you start work, then you can tell me what you want to eat. For now, eat the cup soup. You're not going to stress me out today. Not today, me can't deal with it. Look how you poop and tell him say you want food. Me know I'm saying the money, you must spend it there by weed. What are we doing? Give me something for this. No, she got my call me. Untight. Stop your ball. Hello. What I want my grandson, you alright? Don't tell her, send me there. You eat the food? No, yeah. Where the bomb book? What happened, man? Jesus Christ. Oh God, I want me get myself caught up in that. Hello? What a nice. Me not tired to tell you not sleep in that couch. Eh? Would you take a couch to your bed? Go to your bed.
That's it. That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kanil Clark. Peace.